Good morning. This is the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We do have another mostly cloudy day today with a broken deck around 1,400 feet at the moment. Temps are sitting in the lower 80s. We have some light and variable winds. We do have another chance for seeing some disturbed weather as we go into the afternoon and evening hours tonight, as we do have another couple days of seeing some disturbances move into the area before we'll get a couple days of some better weather as we get towards the end of the weekend. Looking at the current surface analysis, we do have this weak area low pressure that is moving off the coast with a boundary kind of relatively stationary over our region. That's going to be the focal point for some of this disturbed weather, as well as a few other boundaries that were laid out from previous storms and showers. Looking at the upper level winds from this morning, sounding pretty much westerly winds up through the column with a peak wind around 9,000 feet, and the freezing level is at 15,200 feet. Just a quick look at the local radar. We can see not much going on locally, just some showers off to the northeast. They are moving eastward. We'll have the chance of seeing some showers popping up and continue to pop up as we go throughout the day and into the evening. So looking at the visible satellite, plenty of clouds in the area. So again, not expecting those to go anywhere as we go through the day today. So mostly cloudy day on board for our day today. Looking at that short-term high-resolution model. Again, as we go throughout the day, we'll see some isolated to scattered storms popping up and moving through the region. Continued cloudy skies, and we should see those chances start to taper off as we go into the overnight hours, with still some clouds staying around in the area, with a chance of maybe seeing even some fog in the area, some patchy fog as we start our day on Friday. Otherwise, things are looking drier for Friday, but we'll still have a slight chance of seeing some afternoon isolated scattered showers moving through, most likely later in the day and into the evening. And then we'll have this disturbance that will be moving into the area as we get into our Saturday. Very slight disagreements in the model on timing. As you can see, this has it coming in a little earlier than what the Euro is showing, at least for the heavier action. A little earlier in the morning hours of Saturday, and then continue to push through and bring us some scattered and decently strong showers as we go throughout the day on Saturday. But if we zoom out, take a look at the longer-term forecast, we see those shower chances stick around for much of Saturday, but they should start pushing south of the area as we go through the overnight hours and into the beginning of Sunday. Sunday should set up to be a pretty decent day with some lower dew points and nicer conditions, and we'll get a couple of nice days before we see a little return of some of the warmer conditions on Tuesday, with a very slight chance of seeing a shower in the area, and then a better chance for our next rain event will be as we get into Wednesday, with this boundary setting up to move through the area for our Wednesday and keeping things unsettled for the middle to second part of the week. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart, we do have yellow across much of the day for precip and lightning. Again, we have slight chance at the moment, and then we'll see a slightly better chance as we go into the afternoon hours and into the evening, going up to about 40% chance, and then dropping down to about 20% chance after 8 o'clock, and then tapering off to just a slight chance or a very slight chance after midnight. Otherwise, winds will be light and variable as we go throughout the day today, becoming more northeasterly as we go into the early morning hours of our Friday, with, again, that very slight chance of seeing some patchy fog or mist in the area for the morning hours early on Friday. Looking at the next couple days, another mostly cloudy day for Friday, again with a chance of some isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms, expecting a high of 84, so we are yellows for precip, lightning, and reduced sailings of visibility as we are for Friday night and Saturday. It's Friday night, expecting mostly cloudy, chance of isolated scattered rain showers again, and then as that, just depending on the timing of that disturbance, we'll see those chances increase as we get into Saturday, with a better chance of seeing more scattered to more widespread rain showers, and a few of them being a bit heavier than the previous day. Slightly breezy conditions as well. So low of 72 Friday night, and a high of 80 for our Saturday. Looking at the next 7 days as we get into Sunday, expecting starting off mostly cloudy, becoming partly cloudy, and remaining breezy, but high around 80, and we should be much nicer conditions as we go into the evening, expecting a low of 67, and Monday looking to be a nice day, just partly cloudy with a high around 80. And then as we get into our Tuesday, starting off with a low around 70, and we'll see things start to warm up a little bit with a high around 85, but otherwise partly cloudy and slightly breezy. And as we get into Tuesday evening, expecting a low of 74, and then our next chance of rain looks to be in the time frame of Wednesday afternoon and into the evening, again, as it looks like we could be dealing with a surface front passing through the area. So partly to mostly cloudy skies and that slight chance of some rain during the PM hours, but a warmer, muggier day with a high of around 87. That will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Enjoy the rest of your day.